Need to fix Netflix back screen issue on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to the Safari. Here in the address bar, search for Netflix outage. Now scroll down and move into this site. In this page, check whether the server of the application Netflix is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, now move into the App Store on a device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, search for Netflix. Move into this app. If you can find the option of update, then click on update and update the app. After that, move into settings. Head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Netflix. Once found, click on it. Now click on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.